Welcome YouTube, we're doing another video. We're actually putting the clutch in this time. So, I want to take a look. We actually got the old clutch out right before we're gonna put it in.
I wanted to show you the difference between the old and the new.
So, this is the old one, the one that just came out. It's completely destroyed.
Yeah.
So,
It's the old flywheel.
it's got a you can see all the heat marks on it, and then where it actually got super hot. Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
See all the heat marks? Yummy.
No, on the back of it.
On that.
Yeah, I don't think I'm supposed to do that.
No. And then this is basically down to rivets on there. The old throw-up bearing.
So we got a new clutch system from South Bend Clutches.
South Bend Clutch.
Not sponsored, but there's a good throw-up bearing.
I ordered it on a Wednesday and it got here on a Thursday, so we're pretty happy.
Yeah.
Stage 2, clutch, obviously much different.
Grabs, it'll hopefully,
Right. And see the difference. Much more heavy duty.
yeah, the clutch, it's also a little like bigger.
Yeah, this is actually a VR6 clutch flywheel.
And then comparison,
Yep.
nice and soft, not soft.
Yep. And then the biggest difference, the actual clutch itself.
So we're gonna throw this bad boy in there tonight. Do a little bit of other fixes that we saw when we were underneath there, which was a little scary, not gonna lie. There was a lot of loose stuff that shouldn't have been loose.
A lot of leaky stuff. A couple of hoses that look like Chucky got to them. So
We're gonna get those in. It's gonna be done tonight. It's gonna be done within the next hour, and then
break-in period.
What's the saying? Wheelies.
Wheelies next.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.
Press the button.
That's gonna be on his face this time.
Ah!
All right, so we're gonna start taking off stuff that requires us to take off the transmission, which is
A lot.
Yeah, it is a lot. So the battery, that definitely, because we need to get out of that, and then the shift knob, and then
All the shift linkage, motor mount.
yeah.
Bunch
So
of
we
stuff.
got to get that started.
Oh! You get that?
I got that.
Good. That's the important shit to get.
That was a little scary.
It's definitely not. It's definitely like
That's called pay the fuck attention to what you're doing.
I wonder why that's got so many sparks then.
'Cause that ain't fucking aluminum.
Mm-hmm.
Why is it that every time we get a car, it's always held together by fucking bungee cords and zip ties?
Because we buy it for $1,000. So we're gonna try to now separate it.
I'm prying on the transmission away from the motor.
Oh, okay.
Is that bad?
No, I can bring it that way.
There we go. We're free.
Do it.
All right, I'm gonna let the jack down, question mark?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Because it ain't gonna go. We need pockets so that cup's not hitting the frame in the back there.
This here?
Yeah. So it's not dropping down. It's not dropping down more because I think it's hitting the, before we took that cup off the back. I think
Yep.
something
We
there's-
probably should have taken this one off too.
I wonder if it's
Logan, let it. Logan, just slowly let it down.
See how far you can get
Yep.
down.
Down,
Down.
down, down, down.
Not fast.
Got it. There you go. Perfect, man. You know, actually, that's a lot easier to do on your back. You know, seriously. I've been so mad before where I just got in there, man.
Yes.
All right, so we just took the flywheel off, and you can see on the output shaft the gouges that are on here. And then on the actual shaft itself, it looks like somebody put a fucking vice grip on there or something and tried to do whatever people try to do. But there was a go fast fly-apart situation at one point on this thing. But the seal looks like it's good. The seal looks really nice. So we're gonna hit this with some brake clean, clean it off, and put it all back together.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
So we got the trans out, the whole transmission out. It took a lot of work. There's a lot of little itty bitty stuff that had to come out. The battery had to come out, the starter, a bunch of bolts underneath there. This is the CV axle that's kind of hung up by a ratchet strap. The other CV axle had to come out. As you saw probably earlier, the engine actually isn't even being held up by anything. There's not supposed to be a gap there. So that's not good. So we're waiting on a hose that goes, a radiator hose that we found that was cracked. So one of us is getting that before we get that done. There's a lot of little stuff we found that needs to be replaced. Woo! All fluids are going to be great. So, unfortunately, there's some footage that can't be shown because there were some very choice words said.
Yeah.
To sum it up, it took us 2 hours to get the trans in the thing. So
on
it's,
the motor.
Instead of 9 o'clock ending, it's now 11:30, and we're just now bolting everything up.
Somebody said it was going to be easy.
Wrong choice of words. So yeah, it's black as fuck out. So just want to let you know that it's kind of going together, but it's taking a lot longer than we thought. And
it's going to be awesome.
It will be in about, I'm not going to say how much time. It's already been
in that much time.
Yeah. Well, now that it's officially on there, it's, what'd you say it was again? COI. COI?
What's that mean?
Clutch officially in. So now that everything's in there.
One step further to burnouts, close to the burnouts of wheelies, baby.
Yeah.
You don't know how to do wheelies with front wheel drive cars, though.
We'll make it do. We'll make do.
We'll put a fucking stomper in the front. Ejectocito, cuz. Ejectocito, cuz!
Yeah, so, it's officially on there. It's in there. It's hiding now. So now it's just some odds and loose ends that we need to put back together. So. Alright, well, just kind of finishing touches. The intake, the battery, the fluids need to go back in that we leaked all out. But other than that, we're good to go. What time is this?
All right, so it is 1:15 in the morning, and we got the clutch all back together, the whole motor's back together, battery and everything back in. Nobody got electrocuted this time, and we're about to start it.
Start up number 1. Yeah.
Battery's dead?
Nothing.
All right, so that was try number 1. We're gonna hook the battery charger up. You're on. All right, this is test number 2. Battery charger engaged. And 3, 2, 1. That's not a good sign.
I'm getting lights, but that's it.
All right, hang on.
2,000 years later.
All right, this is test 4,811. Good.
test of new clutch.
Whoa.
No promises. It doesn't like to go under. I would push it out because it doesn't like to go into first.
Or reverse.
That's what I said.
Truck.
Hey, ready?
Ready. Oh.
Oh, it went into fucking gear. Oh my god. This has got some fucking kick to it. You hear that pop?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, bro.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Fucking did it.
Hey, all right, so it is like 2 in the morning and we're officially done. It's driven. You've seen it a couple times. We're gonna have a couple passes going by and someone may or may not have done a burnout in a clutch should have not done a burnout.
We absolutely should have had cops up here.
Okay.
So loud.
Yeah, he'll pass by.
Yeah.
But yeah, dude, it's fantastic. It took a little too long. Other than that, it was great. So it's been fantastic. It's been a long night. We're going home. I gotta have an hour drive.
Time to sleep. His mom is gonna kick my ass.
It's definitely
Totally worth it.
It is definitely time to sleep. And we got more shit to do with it. So we got more. We got the stuff to talk about the blue car. Got some stuff coming up with that. Hopefully.
Definitely. The Bronco's gonna make a return.
Yeah.
Soon.
So much shit coming, man.
So much going on.
Stay tuned. Subscribe. Hit the bell. Whatever you want.
In front of his face this time, please.
He said it. He gets it. All right. Catch you guys later.
Peace. I can't be Batman.
I'm Batman.